Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we are featuring Panalahair. Big shout out to Panalahair for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump right into this look. So today I have a Glueless 7x5 HD lace wig. This is a 7x5 lace closure wig. These are honestly my favorite. You can't beat a 7x5. It's very fitted. And the wig cap is a 3D dome cap, so it fits really well. This elastic band is an upgraded band, so it's anti-slip. It has that silicone material on there to prevent it from slipping. That ensures that your wig is going to stay in place if you decide to go the glueless route, which is what we did in this video. No glue, no spray, no nothing. I didn't have to use any products to install this wig. So along with the lace being 7x5, the knots were lifted. And the hairline is pre-plucked. So with all that being said, I was able to achieve a install under 10 minutes. Honestly, it could have taken less, but because I like my wigs to look a certain way, when I turn around and give you a 360, you'll see how full this hair is in the back. And I absolutely love that. Shout out to Panalahair for taking that initiative. They bleached the knots, they tweezed the hairline. I do have to say, if you're someone who prefers a more detailed hairline, you might want to go in with tweezers and do a little extra, but this was perfectly fine for those of you who are not particular about your hairline. Love how this fits to the hairline. I show you some close-up shots after the install. The lace lays so flat, and that's because it's such a snug fit. So the flatter the lace, the better. This is what you call a wear and go. It lays very flat. The hair is super soft and silky. I used a little bit of bio silk, and then I used a wax stick on the top just to get it super flat. But otherwise, the hair had a great luster right out of the package. Check the links down below. I also did a YouTube short, so check out the YouTube short. Shout out to Panalahair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body big as humble like tell me in the humble type. Tell me is you down, cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Only hope she said the right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is living inside a dream. I say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look she smell good, that's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game goes stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Trying to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine, might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you good. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you good. I look fly, I look too good.
That's nuts, Lily.
What's left of us? What's left of our lives? It's only you, it's only me, it's only us at the end of the night. I remember when you couldn't tell me a thing. Now you talk so much it drives me insane. But you could do something great. So what can I say to you? When I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. In my heart, true, I was always holding you down. You down, baby. What is this for this girl? What is love?
What's that?
Love, what is love? Believe it if I told you all about it. But how pressure just keep adding. Don't you just be mad for we was living fast. Girls don't give me time. All these people always lying. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes by some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe not sense so. Reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to